Hello, fellow classmates. Today I will be reviewing linear differential equations, more specifically web work number 3, question 11. This problem wants us to find the general solution for the equation given, which is x squared plus 3xy plus x dy dx equals 0. However, in order to start solving the differential equation, we must first get it into the standard form, which is dy dx plus p of x times y equals f of x. I did this by subtracting x squared to get to the right side of the equation, and then dividing everything out by x. After that, we are left with the proper form we need, and we are left with dy dx plus 3y equals negative x. So now we need to work to find the integrating factor. The integrating factor can be solved from e raised to the integral of p of x dx. Our p of x for this equation is 3, as shown from the standard form. So now we are left with e raised to the integral of 3 dx, and after taking the integral, we get our integrating factor of e to the 3x. Next, we have to set up the equation, which is mu of x times y equals the integral of f of x times mu of x dx. Now we can substitute in everything we need. We are left with y times e to the 3x equals the integral of negative x times e to the 3x. I brought the negative outside of the integral just to make life a little easier when integrating, but it's up to you how you go about solving it. So now we need to use u sub. After using u sub, we are left with y times e to the 3x equals negative 1/9 times the integral of u times e to the u du. So we're not done with our integration just yet. We need to continue, and in order to start doing this, we need to use IBP, otherwise known as integration by parts. And the IBP equation is u times v minus the integral of v du. Our u, dv, v, and du are shown here. And after using IBP, we are left with y times e to the 3x equals negative 1/9 times the quantity u times e to the u minus the integral of e to the u du. Now, solving the integral, we have y times e to the 3x equals negative 1/9 times u e to the u minus e to the u plus c. So from here, we're just 2 small steps away from finding the general solution, and that would be to multiply out by the negative 1/9 here, and then after that we will need to divide out by e to the 3x in order to solve for y and get it by itself. So after distributing out the negative 1/9, we have y times e to the 3x equals negative 1/3 x e to the 3x plus 1/9 e to the 3x plus c. After dividing out by e to the 3x, we are left with our general solution of y equals negative 1/3 x plus 1/9 plus ce to the negative 3x. And that is our general solution. Now, if there was an initial condition given with the problem, we could find the particular solution solving for c. However, it was not required for this problem.